You lovers of mirth, I pray pay attention and listen to what I'm about to relate. Concerning a couple I overheard talking as I was returning late home from a wake. As I roved along, I met an old woman who sat neath a gap just a milking her cow. She was jigging a tune called Come Haste to the Wedding, or some other ditty I can't tell you now. On looking around me, I spied a bold tinker who only by chance came strolling the same way. The weather being fine, sure he sat down beside her. What news, honest man, this old woman did say. It's no news at all, ma'am, replied the bold tinker, but the people will wish that he never had been. It's that damnable rogue of a Daniel O'Connell. He's now making children in Dublin be steam. Are children a rue? Then replied the old woman, or on him on jowl, is he crazy at last? Is there sign of a war or a sudden rebellion, or what is the reason he wants them so fast? It's not that at all, ma'am, replied the bold tinker, but the children of Ireland are getting so small. It's O'Connell's petition to the new Lord Lieutenant to not let us make them the old way at all. By this pipe in me mouth, then replied the old woman, and that's a great oath on me soul for to say, I'm only a woman, but if I was near him, I bet you me life it's little he'd say. For the people of Ireland 'tis very well known, they gave him their earnings though needing it bad, and now he is well recompensing them for it by taking what little diversion they had. Long life to your courage, replied the bold tinker, and long may you live and have youth on your side. And if all the young girls in Ireland were like you, O'Connell could throw his steam engine one side. I think every girl that is in this old country should begin making children as fast as they can. So if ever Her Majesty asks for an army, we'll be able to send her as many as Dan.